Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. While we thought 2020 is getting over and the pandemic year is finally coming to an end with vaccines in sight, seems like the wait for normalcy across the world is going to be longer than what we expected. A new strain of novel coronavirus has been found in the United Kingdom, and if the authorities are to be believed, it is more infectious than the other strains. In the words of British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, that virus strain is out of control and it spreads 70% faster. He also announced full lockdown restrictions in London, southeast and eastern England and Wales. This means that about 16 million people will be staying at home in lockdown ahead of Christmas. UK Health Secretary has also warned that the lockdown can continue for months, and this is the first time that a country has entered a full lockdown after the country started lifting COVID-19 restrictions about 3 to 4 months ago. In this video today, let's talk about the effects of the new developments on various sectors, but before that, if you're watching this video on YouTube, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave your comments in the comment box below. If you're watching this video on Facebook, then please do like our Facebook page, share and subscribe also. Let's now talk about the effect on travel. The new revelation has sent alarm bells ringing in all the European countries. Most EU countries have announced the cancellation of flights to and from UK. Austria, Belgium, Italy, Ireland, Germany, France and Netherlands have announced a ban on Sunday. Israel, Turkey, Saudi Arabia has also temporarily suspended flights departing from or arriving in United Kingdom. Canada has also banned flights from UK, whereas in Asia, South Korea and Japan have banned flights from the UK. After the news spread, Indian opposition also demanded that the flights from UK should be cancelled as soon as possible. And as we speak, the flights to and from UK have been banned till December 31 by Indian government. Announcing the decision, Directorate General of Civil Aviation said that considering the prevailing situation in the United Kingdom, the Government of India has decided that all the flights originating from the UK to India to be suspended till 31st of December. Consequently, flights from India to UK shall stand temporarily suspended during the above said period. The ban will come into effect on Wednesday, and all the passengers arriving from the UK before that will be tested on arrival at airports. A joint monitoring group on COVID-19 had met this morning to discuss the mutant coronavirus that has spread rapidly in the UK, sending cases skyrocketing within days. Now let me tell you that UK was among the few countries with whom India shared air bubble. The news of the new strain of coronavirus has sent people into panic mode, but experts say that while the strain is more infectious, there is no evidence that it is more deadly as well, or that the present vaccines will not work effectively against the new strain. Health Minister of India, Dr. Harshvardhan, said that the government was fully alert about the new strain, and he also said that there is no need to panic. Now let's talk about the effect of latest development on the markets. Domestic stock markets suffered their worst single-day loss in more than 7 months on Monday, tracking a sell-off across global equities. The Sensex index dropped to 44,923.08 at the weakest level of the day, and the broader Nifty benchmark tanked to as low as 13,131.45. A sell-off across sectors led by banking, financial services, automobile and metal shares dragged the markets even lower. All the 50 shares in the Nifty basket suffered losses. Tata Motors, ONGC, GAIL, IndusInd Bank, Hindalco, Indian Oil and Bharat Petroleum closing between 7.21% and 9.53% lower were the worst hit. Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank were the biggest drags on Sensex. The four accounted for more than 500 points loss. Now if we talk about India, then a few days ago, the country crossed 1 crore mark in terms of overall coronavirus cases. This makes India the second country with the most COVID-19 cases after the US. However, new cases in India have fallen significantly. Well, do let us know what you think in the comment box below. Do you think that the ban on flights to and from UK that has been imposed by the Indian government should extend even beyond December 31 as well? Do let us know what you think about that in the comment box below. Share your thoughts and tell us what you think about this. Thank you.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.